Hi, welcome to Audit Preparation Training. Today we're working in section 3. We're going to show you a very quick way to create internal controls in the platform. Now, you may have your own set of internal controls already established within the organization, in which case you can use bulk upload templates to get those into the system. And we'll just cover that quickly. But here, otherwise, it's just a very easy way to create internal controls to set up your audit preparation. So let's get into the training. Okay, yeah, so here we are back in our platform. And again, if you have internal controls that you want to import, once again, we can come to our support center here and come look up this data upload, and this compliance upload template will provide you with a template to upload your internal controls as well. So you can download that. Again, you can submit a ticket through the training portal here and ask for help, or email your account manager or email support@c1risk.com support@c1risk.com and we'll help you out and make sure you get those in. But here's how we're going to show you a very quick and easy way to do this if you actually don't have that level of maturity in your organization yet. So we're going to come back to our control libraries here. Remember, we set up this filter before, and we're going to get to our SOC 2 applicable controls. And what we're going to do is now we know we have all these 38. We just want to make sure that we have all 38 displayed. So I'm going to open this up to 50 here. And I can see now I've got all 38 displayed. I'm just going to select them all. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to simply go to our action menu and go copy to IC. What that's going to do is that's going to create an internal control for each one of these control requirements. And you can, if I go into the control library now here, what you'll see is now we have an internal control attached. And also what I can do now is I can create that filter in the internal controls, similar to what I've done in the control library, where what I can do is I can go to my filters, look for the obligation, and go to AICPA SOC 2. And I've got a couple of additional ones from other demos that I've done here. But basically you can see now I've got my all my internal controls for SOC 2 here. And again, what I can do is I can create that as a filter that says SOC 2 internal controls. So I can share that again if I want to. Now I just click save, and again, what I can do now is I've got that in my set of different options for views, and I can just come into that whenever I want to. Okay, so sometimes you have to come out and come back in again. There you go. Now it says SOC 2 internal controls. Now, if I want to, let's say I'm in my dashboard, and every time I come into my internal control section, I want to see my SOC 2 ones instead of all of the controls. What I can also do is I can just come up here. And this is the same with all of the view filters that we establish. Instead of putting this at the bottom, I want to bring this to the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click edit. I'm going to grab this and just move it up to the top. And now what's going to happen is if I come out on my dashboard and then I come back into internal controls, now you see it automatically goes to that filtered view. All right, so next what we're going to do, this is the final part effectively for your audit readiness, is we're going to show you how to connect these internal controls to the evidence records, and how that will then all roll up into the obligation and into your dashboard for your audit. Okay, so this concludes the training for today. Thank you very much.